Hi friends, it's Mrs. Mapes here with another math lesson. I need you guys, if you have at home, to gather coins, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. I'm going to have you pause this video right now and go see what you can collect. Now that you're back with your coins, we're going to go over what each coin is worth, the value. The first one that we're going to work on is the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. So if you can see here, I have 1 and then the cent sign written down. Okay? The next coin that we're going to go over is the nickel. The nickel looks like this. It has a front and a back, and it is worth 5 cents. I've written down 5 cents. Now, 5 cents is worth a nickel, or we can use pennies to equal 5 cents. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pennies equals a nickel. Okay, the next one that we're going to go over is the dime. The dime is the smallest coin that we have. It looks like this, front and back, and it is worth 10 cents. 10 cents. So a dime is worth 10 cents, which also could be, 10 cents could be 2 nickels. Count with me by fives. Ready? 5, 10. So 2 nickels also equals 10 cents. What's another way that we could show 10 cents? All right. If you look down here, we could show 10 cents with just pennies. So count with me the pennies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 pennies equals 10 cents. The last coin that we're going to go over today is the quarter. It is the biggest coin. And it looks like this, front and back, and it is worth 25 cents. Say it with me. A quarter is worth 25 cents. We can also use our other coins to make 25 cents. So here I have 2 dimes and a nickel. If we count by tens, ready? 10, 20, and then add 5 more, we have 25 cents. So we're going to be playing a game today. We're going to go shopping for some bunnies, and we're going to use the coins that we have to pay for the bunnies. But I do want to chant with you a little bit too. When you're using money, you have the dollar, right? So a lot of times we'll say $1, and $1 is actually equal to 4 quarters. So when we count by quarters, we have to count by 25s, which is kind of tricky. So I come up with a little chant. It goes 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters equal $1. Okay, my friends, let's get ready to buy some bunnies. Friends, I forgot to tell you, with counting coins, we're going to be using our skip counting skills to help us add up this money. So here I have a row of nickels, which are worth 5 cents. So we're going to skip count by fives. So skip count with me. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. See how we skip counted that? All right, now next I have a row of dimes, and dimes again are worth 10 cents. So we're going to skip count. Ready? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. 100 equals $1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimes equal $1. Okay, our first bunny that we're gonna buy today costs 12 cents. So I left this over here, friends, so that we could remember what the values of these coins are. So if we're trying to make 12 cents, we could count out 12 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 pennies equals 12 cents. So we could buy the bunny with 12 cents, or we could use, if we have a nickel is worth 5 cents. So we could take away 5 pennies and put a nickel in there. Now, count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a nickel and 7 pennies equal 12 cents. Or, this is what makes math with money fun. We can switch things around again. If we have a dime, we know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So we can count 10, 11, 12. 12 cents that way. I forgot to tell you, friends, that I want you to try to use your coins at home with me and see what you come up with. So this bunny is worth 15 cents. So I want you to try to use your coins and come up with 15 cents. I'm going to give you some time. And then we're going to do it together. So this bunny's worth 15 cents. So to do that, we could count out 15 pennies. I'm going to make these rows into 5 so it's easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's a 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we could have this bunny, we could buy this bunny with 15 pennies, right? Or we can take a row of these pennies out and we could add a nickel, because we know that a nickel is worth 5, right? So we have 10 pennies and a nickel. We could also switch another row of these pennies out and put in another nickel. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies and 2 nickels. If we skip count, ready? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we could take another row of these pennies out and we could add another nickel. So 3 nickels equals 15 cents. Skip count with me. 5, 10, 15. Or we know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So we could take out the 10 cents, put in that dime. Ready? Count with me. A dime is worth 10. A nickel's worth 5. So we have 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 cents that way. Good job, friends. Let's see if we can buy another bunny. Okay, friends, this cute little bunny is worth 27 cents. 27 cents. So take this time and see if you can use the coins that you have at home to come up with 27 cents. I'll give you a few minutes. Okay. This time, we're going to see if we can use the least amount of coins first. So if we look over here, we have a penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. And we're trying to get to 27 cents. What is the largest number coin that we could use? If you're saying 25 cents, a quarter, you are correct. So we're going to put that big quarter right there. So that's worth 25 cents. Now we know that we are going to hold that number in our head and we're going to count up to 27. What would we need to add to that? So 25, 26, 27. We need to add 2. So what coin could we use that is a single value? So our pennies are worth 1 cent. So if we have 25 cents, then we're going to add a penny. That means 26 cents, and another penny equals 27 cents. Now, could I count out 27 pennies to buy this bunny? Absolutely. We can also, if you didn't have a quarter, remember a quarter is worth 25, so we could have used, also you could have used 2 dimes and a nickel, 10, 20, 5, 26, 27. You could have used a combination of just nickels. We can skip count that. Let's try that. Melody, thank you. Melody's my assistant today. If you see her little hands reaching in, she's helping me with my money. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. So that was skip counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 26, 27. Good job, friends. Let's buy another bunny. Okay, friends, we're going to buy this cute little bunny today, and it costs 30 cents. Okay, so use your money at home and see if you can come up with 30 cents to buy this bunny. If you need extra time, you can always pause this video too before I review 30 cents. All right, going with using the largest valued coin, we know that 25 is smaller than 30, so we could use a quarter. So we know that 25 is a smaller number than 30, so that we're going to be able to use a quarter, 25. And then if we were skip counting by 5s to get up to 30, we would only have to add 1 5, right? So 25 plus 5 more, skip count up, is 30. So 25, 30, right? So if you had a quarter and a nickel, you are correct. What are some other ways that we could have made 30 cents? Well, I think skip counting by 10s is a good way to make 30 cents. Let's try to do that. Ready? 10, 20, 30. So we know that dimes are worth 10 cents, so we can skip count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. So that's another way to show 30 cents. Another way, oh, Melody, she's helping me create all these different ways. Let's see what she came up with. She's got some, oh, she's got all kinds of things here. She's got Some dimes, some nickels, some pennies. Let me see if I can set it up. Let's see. We know a dime is worth 10, so here's 10. We're going to skip count up 5. So 10, 15, 20. Then we're going to go by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There she's got 30 cents with a variety of coins. All right, let's see what other bunnies we're going to buy.